Do you have a dropshipping store and are currently struggling in creating ad creatives that actually generate sales for your paid or organic marketing strategy? This was me a few months ago, struggling to make sales. Now I'm averaging around £400 a day in sales with around £150 to £200 in profit, and going to be scaling as soon as we can. This is using both TikTok and Facebook ads to do this, and we have used this creative research method that I'm going to show in this video to make the creatives that have generated me this revenue. This has allowed me to find hundreds of winning ad concepts and has allowed me to hit a £6,000 profitable month with my store. This method is using Foreplay, and it's not what you think. Foreplay has many features to help you in making your ad creatives. It is a hub that holds thousands of winning ads that have been uploaded by different agencies around the world, or also brands. It is home to some of the best advertisers in terms of creative strategy and making ads that convert. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. I actually have bought the plan myself and continue to use it to come up with new creative that drive me this revenue each month. In the Foreplay dashboard, you can click discovery, and then you can go to the community ads. This is where brands and advertisers will upload their ads to be seen by others. For example, as you can see, this ad here, which is obviously a UGC unboxing style ad, and from what I see here, it looks pretty good. Once again, this allows you to take inspiration for your ads to make really good ads to generate the sales. Making good ads is honestly the most important aspect of driving growth and scaling your store. You can look at these videos and take the concepts from them and different parts of the video and use them in your own video. Obviously, just remake it yourself. To sign up for the free trial of Foreplay, you can get that in the description below. It's a really easy sign up process, and you can get started with a free trial to try it out for yourself. Just put in your email and password and then get started. This will allow you all the features of the paid plan to use for a few days for free. In the discovery tab, you can actually also go to the experts tab at the top. This will show you all of the experts in this industry. And if you're thinking, oh, I've not seen any of these experts in the dropshipping industry, that's right. These guys are not dropshippers. These guys are focused on paid creative strategy. Then you can click on some of these experts and go into the ads that they have uploaded. These are probably ads that have generated the brands that they are working with thousands in sales. This is Fraser, someone that I follow on Twitter, who provides loads of information on how to make creatives that drive conversions. You can copy, once again, you can copy the style of video, the structure, take some inspiration from the way that they're doing the videos, the hooks, and you could adapt this to your product and your brand. We'll give you unlimited ideas in this. Just to let you know, a few of my favorites that I also follow on Twitter are Barry Hoth, Phil, and also Fraser. These guys are experts at making the creative that's focused on the customer. Just because you're doing dropshipping, you're still competing with brands all around the world in the advertising space, whether that's on TikTok and Facebook. So why would you just be focused on making dropshipping ads when instead you can just make ads that other brands are using to generate thousands? Just start thinking about it in a different way. These guys have provided me tons of knowledge, and it's really helped me with my ads. If you can do this, I would say you're honestly already ahead of 70% of dropshippers in the amount of knowledge that you'll pick up so quickly on what makes converting creative. And I'm telling you now, creative is the most important part in any Facebook ads or TikTok campaign. It's the creative that drives everything. Another benefit which I really love of using Foreplay is the ability to save ads from Facebook onto Foreplay, so they will be there forever. Most of the time when you save Facebook ads or you bookmark them, if the advertiser takes them down off the Facebook ads ad library, you'll never see them again. This could mean you could find a really good ad concept that you like and want to sort of copy for yourself, but it disappears and you can't get it again. With Foreplay, you can go onto the Facebook ad library, find that competitor's ad, and save it to Foreplay just by clicking this button. What that does is then it goes over into your library, and as you can see here, the ad has been saved to your library. These are all the ads that I've saved and I'm taking inspiration from the Facebook ad library. Also, when I'm getting ads scrolling through my Facebook, I can just quickly go on and click add to Foreplay. Once again, if ads have been live on the Facebook ad library for a long time, it means that they're definitely profitable and making that brand money, meaning you may, want to copy that ad. And by copy, I mean copy the structure, the concept, all that type of thing for your product and your brand. Now that you've saved the ad to Foreplay, it will always be there, and you can actually even download these ads as MP4 and bring them into your editing software if you want to practice editing them or making them better. You will get to see the different techniques that these advertisers are using to set you up for the best position to make sales. Maybe I can make a video finding ads in the Facebook ad library, saving them to Foreplay, and then dissecting them and sort of trying to understand why they work and how you could adapt this to a dropshipping product. Let me know if you want that in the comments below. Once again, you can get the free trial in the description for Foreplay, and you can sign up for free, use it as much as you want. When your free trial runs out, you can then decide if you want to get the plan and you want to keep learning, or if you at the minute can't afford it, but maybe in the future you will once you get them sales in with dropshipping. Using Foreplay Foreplay will help your growth so much in terms of making ad creative that actually converts. This will put you ahead of so much of the competition and using techniques that aren't being used by really anyone else. Foreplay, they do also send out frequent newsletters, which are really informative on the different new creative advice and tips that are coming out. And once again, after your free trial, you can choose to continue. I chose to continue due to this paying me back around 10 times through being able to make creative that at least gets me a 3 times return on my creatives. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know what your experience is using Foreplay and if you found it as valuable as me. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe.